Hey everyone, today we're talking about Meta Capital, but before we do that, make sure to do your own research, figure out if this project is for you. So you buy Meta Capital and their symbols MCAP, and their investors, their experts are going to invest in blue chip NFTs, and metaverse projects, a whole bunch of stuff. Really interesting project that I'm super excited to talk about with you guys today. So let's go. So here on the website at meta-capital.co, you buy MCAP, or experts use to invest in blue chip NFTs and metaverse land. So as these assets appreciate, we obviously return the profits back to you. So it's really cool because I know a lot of people want to jump into this project but don't know where to start. So obviously the experts in this project know exactly what to look out for. They've been doing it for a while. So if you invest in their project, you could get all the benefits of doing that. And for me, I'm always teaching people about different projects to invest into, things like that. But if there's an easy way to do it, because if you have to do it yourself, you're having to do it from different platforms, etc. Having to do it through one project and be a part of one project that's part of a lot of great projects, I think is cool. So we'll talk about that today. Market cap all-time high was 12 million, daily volume 2 million. This is a new project. We'll talk about the chart and how for you guys to buy it in a bit. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, so we'll teach you guys all about that in a second. So what are they going to do? Our strategists identify and invest in metaverse assets that have high probability of generating profits. Profits are returned to holders on a monthly basis. So that's awesome that they're giving to you on a monthly. I know a lot of projects out there that are like, oh yeah, we'll return to you guys in an indefinite time. It could be like a couple months or a year or something like that. But they're committing it to you guys to give it monthly. So I think that's awesome. And I do think that, it takes a lot of time and effort and experience to invest and try to figure out which is the NFTs to invest in, which the metaverse projects to invest in. And I think it's great that, they're doing it for you guys. So if you guys want to learn how to buy, it says buy MCAP tokens safely and securely. You click import and to amount of ETH you'd like to swap. So this is through Uniswap, again, the Ethereum networks. You're swapping ETH for MCAP. And then all you have to do is connect your wallet here. I like it when projects add this to it, where they just have to be able to, you could just do it right here rather than having to visit other websites. It makes it really easy to do so. So MCAP at Meta Capital, and it's really easy to do. So that's awesome. They also have a D app, which is great to check the tokens portfolio, the daily burns, what the portfolio is, NFT portfolio. And it's cool that they split this out to show you guys how they're investing, etc. And a lot of people are super excited about that because, it takes a lot of time and effort from your perspective to figure out what NFTs to invest in, when's the best time to sell, and then obviously for metaverse as well. So really cool that they have this D app. Again, earlier project, and it's great that they already have something out there. If you guys want to check out their chart, you guys can. Like I said, new project. It's only a couple days old. 843 holders, $5 million market cap. MCAP is their name. And if you want to learn more about it, you could definitely check it out. But like I said, lots of great growth. Obviously, if you guys are looking for projects in 2022, definitely one to check out. And I don't think there's anyone else doing what they're doing. So I think that's great. So here's a white paper, Meta Capital white paper version 1. They talk about their vision. Meta Capital presents a simple way for DeFi users to benefit from investments in NFTs, metaverse land, and DeFi by handling the time-consuming, often challenging work related to bridging, farming, and investing. Yeah, rather than learning all that stuff and things like that, there's a lot to experts that know exactly what to do. And just time consuming. It's hard to figure out when's the best time to do it. But if they have a pretty large team that's doing this, I think that's great. MetaCap returns yields, many of which are only available on layer 1 chains like Phantom, Arbitrum, Polygon, and Avalanche to its users on Ethereum network, right? Like I said, if you're trying to buy all the things that they're investing in, not only spend the time to actually figure out what to invest in, but the time to get wallets for each of those, do the swapping, do the exchanging. It just takes a long time, if you're trying to buy into several different projects, but they're going to handle all that for you. While the MCAP, the user earns a share of profits from the Meta Capital investment portfolio. For Meta Capital, DAOs are a paradigm shift in the idea of economic organizations. So essentially, they're saying they're going to be super transparent about this, what they're doing, and I think that's great. If you want to learn more about this, you can buy MCAP. Our experts use to invest in DeFi, NFTs, and metaverse. We return the profits back to you. They talk about their mission. And again, they're just going to be super transparent about what they do. And they talk about everything they've done. So version 1.0 live of January 5th. That's the dashboard app has been deployed. Your users are able to view and interact with our assets under management by both types, tokens and NFTs, which we just like to look at. Version 2.0 coming in about a week. Include the ability for users to track the progress associated with reward pools, ETH, and MCAP tokens from liquidity buybacks. And then furthermore, we'll also include Web3 compatibility. And then later on, version 3 will introduce claimable rewards. You could claim ETH rewards on it. You could users will be able to claim MCAP rewards proportional to their existing MCAP balance. They also include a magical mystery NFT claim portal, which is awesome. Then 100,000 MCAP tokens will be eligible to claim one mystery NFT per month. So they're just continuing to add to the platform functionality, and then obviously benefits for the long-term holders. And I think I can't wait to learn more about this magical NFT claim. They also are going to be having like a Twitter space. It's pretty much where you could check out, and they could chat with them, and they're gonna do a whole discussion with you guys. That's happening tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific time. We'll check out the Twitter to check that out. But I think it's great that they're gonna interact with the community, and then they have more stuff coming in the future. Just kind of building out the whole entire ecosystem. If you guys want to learn about the economics of this, buy 8%, sell 8%, 4% development, 2% marketing, talk about the business model, kind of their investment strategy if you guys want. I'm not going to go through all of this right now, but they're essentially going to be checking out trends, stability, and innovation. And like I said, they're the experts behind this. I think it's a lot, like I said, very time consuming to look at all these things, but they definitely have the experience to do so. Obviously, do your own research, figure out the project is for you, but I do think that if you're looking to get into those projects, at the right time, and you're looking to, like I said, these projects are popping up all the time. It's very time consuming, so it's better to trust the experts. And if you want to learn more about them, you can. They don't say their names, but they're talking about their experience, which is experience in blockchain, business, marketing, and obviously investment. So their roadmap is also interesting. Like I said, the different DApp, their different versions are coming. They're gonna have staking, yielding, DApp, white paper, exchange listings. Like I said, very early project, lots of stuff to check out. So the last thing I want to show you guys is the Twitter account. Like I said, they're going to have a chat with you guys at the Twitter Spaces. You could learn all about this, of course, on their Twitter account. And if you're also interested, obviously check them out on Telegram as well. A lot of people are excited about this and the possibilities of this. Obviously, they're showing off some projects that they're interested in. And like I said, a lot of hype towards this. A lot of people are excited. And, this is something I'm definitely going to be following along for a long time. So if you guys are interested in it, definitely check it out. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this. A lot of people are excited. Definitely check out their Telegram, check out their website, and then obviously follow along on their chart for all the great things. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.